While Earth may be the sole habitable planet within our solar system, the possibility of similar planets existing outside of it remains a tantalizing prospect. Given the vastness of the cosmos, it's difficult to definitively say if any other planets comparable to our own exist within its boundaries. However, with the aid of advanced telescopes such as the Hubble and the new JWST, we can study potential new Earths. The latest research suggests that exoplanets resembling our own may be out there, with some of them even able to support human life. In fact, we'll be taking a closer look at 4 such exoplanets, new worlds that are so akin to our own that they may well be the closest we'll ever come to finding a second Earth. You may be under the impression that Earth-like exoplanets are located at an immense distance from us, and in a way you're correct. However, the truth is that these exoplanets are much closer than you might imagine. In fact, we're not talking about some distant fantasy. The planets we're discussing are only a few light years away from our own solar system. In space terms, that's almost right next door. We're going to dive deep into the science behind each of these new Earths, and we'll find out what makes them so special. Could one of them be the key to humanity's survival? The closest known exoplanet that bears similarities to Earth is Proxima Centauri b. Located in the Alpha Centauri system, which is the nearest system to our own, this exoplanet is likely to be the first star system we explore once we possess the necessary technology. Proxima Centauri b is approximately the same size as Earth, with a mass that is only 1.07 times greater. It orbits within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star. However, Proxima Centauri b is plagued by a significant drawback. It is believed to lack an atmosphere. This is because the planet is exposed to solar winds that are 2,000 times more intense than those that impact Earth, due to its host star being a flare star. Nevertheless, there is reason for hope, as there may still be water on Proxima Centauri b, given the right conditions. Luyten b is an exoplanet that is situated 12 light-years away from us. It is a probable rocky planet that orbits a nearby dwarf star, Luyten, and is located within the star's habitable zone. This Earth-like planet has a significant mass, measuring at least 2.8 times greater than that of Earth. Interestingly, the average temperatures on Luyten b are around 19 degrees Celsius, which is remarkably similar to what we are accustomed to on Earth. Due to its star being a dwarf star, a year on Luyten b would last only about 18 days. In contrast to our previous entry, Proxima Centauri b, this super-Earth orbits a much calmer star, which raises the possibility that it may have an atmosphere. Luyten b could be our most promising prospect for discovering extraterrestrial life or finding a new planetary home. Gliese c is a planet with a super-Earth classification, believed to have formed around 2 billion years ago. Compared to our Sun's age of 4.5 billion years, Gliese c is considered an old planet. It completes an orbit around its star quickly, taking only around 28 Earth days to do so. The planet is located in the habitable zone of a red dwarf star, although closer to the hotter edge of the zone. As a result, temperatures on Gliese c are hotter than on Earth, reaching approximately 39 degrees Celsius. Unfortunately, Gliese c is tidally locked, with one face always facing the star and the other never facing it. This causes extreme temperature differences between the two sides of the planet. While the chances of life on Gliese c are vastly reduced due to this, there is still a chance for habitability along the Terminator line, where temperatures would be more moderate. TRAPPIST-1e is a planet in one of the most fascinating solar systems discovered so far, named the TRAPPIST. This incredible solar system is thought to have no less than 7 habitable planets, making it the top space destination. TRAPPIST-1e is the 4th planet in the system and is considered by many as the most likely candidate to host life. The planet is possibly the closest we would get to seeing a second Earth, because it has a similar density, mass, temperature, radius, gravity, and stellar lux. The planet is believed to be a rocky planet and may have oceans like our own. A year on this new Earth would be extremely short, lasting approximately just 9 days. However, the biggest downside is that, relative to our technology, it is quite far away from us, with a distance of around 40 light-years. And this is where this amazing journey ends. Now we can only wait for new technology to advance. The future sure sounds exciting, So drop a like and subscribe to learn more and more about this big unknown space we found ourselves in.